Duck.
Duck?
What a duck. I have two. You want them?
Tigger and Donald?
Okay.
They're not in the same show together. Don't jump on that.
You want them?
What about the Gruffalo?
No. You want them?
What about the Gruffalo?
No.
Just Donald?
Okay.
What about a Gruffalo?
No. You're good.
What about a Mickey?
No. Okay, Mickey.
Yeah, you like Mickey? What about Kermit the Frog? Are you a frog? What does the froggy say? Does the froggy hop? What about Tigger? The wonderful thing about Tiggers. Our Tiggers are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber. Their bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, bouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about